I'm Ava. Welcome to Korean Ladder, where Korean time words start sounding usable.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. 오늘은 시간을 정확하게 말해볼게요.
안녕하세요, 준호입니다. 몇 시인지뿐 아니라 언제인지까지 분명하게 말해봅시다.
Here's my problem. If I just say 3시, I mean 3 o'clock, but is that 3 a.m. or 3 p.m.?
맞아요. 3시 alone is just 3 o'clock. Korean often adds 오전 or 오후 when the time must be clear.
So, if I'm booking a train or making a meeting, 3시 might be too vague.
Exactly. The clock word goes before the hour. 오전 3시, 오후 3시.
오늘의 핵심은 이거예요. 오전은 before noon, 오후는 after noon.
오전 literally points to the time before noon. In schedules, it works like AM.
오후 points to the time after noon. In schedules, it works like PM.
So, I should not say 3시 오후. I put 오후 first. 오후 3시.
Right. English says 3 p.m. after the number, but Korean says 오후 before the time.
좋아요. Now listen to a few natural examples.
오전 7시에 일어나요. In English, I wake up at 7 a.m.
오후 6시에 퇴근해요. That means I get off work at 6 p.m.
Let me try one. 오전 9시에 수업이 있어요.
좋아요. 오전 9시에 수업이 있어요. Sounds clear and natural.
Now compare 오후 9시에 영화 봐요. That is 9 p.m., not morning.
오전 is before noon. 오후 is afternoon. They sit before the hour.
정오 means noon, exactly. In English, 12 in the daytime.
자정 means midnight, exactly. In English, 12 at night. The start of a new day.
So, 정오 is not just lunchtime-ish. It is exactly noon.
맞아요. And 자정 is not just late night. It is exactly midnight.
For schedules, 정오에 만나요 is very clear. Meet at noon.
자정에 출발해요 means it departs at midnight. This is useful for travel, tickets, and deadlines.
What about half past? Like 1:30 a.m.
For the clock label, say 오전 1시 반. In everyday late night context, 새벽 1시 반 often sounds more natural.
반 means half past, and it comes after the hour. 1시 반, 3시 반, 8시 반.
So the order is 오전, then the hour, then 반, 오전 1시 반.
잠깐 대화를 들어보세요. 두 선생님이 회의 시간을 정하고 있어요. Listen to a short dialogue. Two teachers are setting a meeting time. 회의가 언제예요?
오후 3시에 있어요.
오후 3시 반에 만나요?
네, 오후 3시 반에 만나요. Notice the pattern. 오후 3시에 있어요 becomes 오후 3시 반에 만나요. When we add half past,
I hear it now. 오후 comes before 3시 and gun comes after 3시.
따라해보세요. 오전 8시.
오전 8시.
good. Now 오후 8시, same hour, different part of the day, 8 p.m.
오후 8시.
완벽해요. Now at 반, 오후 8시 반.
오후 8시 반.
Common mistake, copying English order and saying 3시 오후. Korean puts 오후 first.
So not 3시 오후. I need 오후 3시.
Another mistake is mixing clock labels with parts of the day. 오전 4시 is 4 a.m. as a clock label. In everyday speech, 새벽 4시 sounds natural. 오후 4시 is 오후 4시.
밤 usually means night as a part of the day. For 4 a.m., 밤 4시 sounds wrong or very marked. 새벽 4시 is the natural everyday phrase.
So, 오전,
Is great for schedules and clock labels, but
새벽,
can be more natural for late night or early morning real life.
퀴즈예요. An airline schedule says the flight leaves exactly at midnight. Which Korean is clearest?
The answer is B. 자정에 출발해요. 네? It is the clearest schedule word for exactly midnight.
One more check. Which has the correct AM clock label order for 1:30 a.m.?
The answer is A. For the clock label, 오전 1시 반 is correct. In everyday speech, 새벽 1시 반에 만나요 may sound more natural.
정리해봅시다. 첫째, 오전은 낮 12시 전이에요. In English, 오전 means AM, before noon.
둘째, 오후는 낮 12시 후예요. In English, 오후 means PM, afternoon.
셋째, 오전과 오후는 시간 앞에 와요. In English, say the Korean order as AM or PM. First, 오전 9시, 오후 3시.
넷째, 정오는 정확히 낮 12시, 자정은 정확히 밤 12시예요. In English, use 정오 for noon and 자정 for midnight.
My keeper sentence is,
오후 3시 반에 만나요.
let's meet at 3:30 p.m.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 오후 3시 반에 만나요.
수고했어요. Next time we will connect times with dates and days of the week. Korean Ladder에서 또 만나요.